This portion of the video is sponsored by Evoloop. Now, Evoloop is a company that is on Amazon, and they contacted me with this food steamer. Evoloop sent me a 2-tier electric food steamer for cooking. It's 4 quarts digital multi, a vegetable steamer with BPA free stackable baskets. It's a rapid egg cooker, an egg steamer, and auto shutoff, ideal for vegetables, seafood, and rice. Now, what I like about it is it has a digital display on the front that has everything that you need for cooking. Also, what I am liking about it that it comes with this lid, the top lid. It has a measuring cup, so you make sure you put in the right amount of water. It has a food tray, which is this tray. I like that it's transparent. You know, your girl likes to see through things. Next, it comes with this heated tray. Now, this tray basically is open so the heat rises and steams it very well and nothing gets melted, right? Next, it comes with a egg tray. You can hold up to 8 eggs in here to have them steamed. Now, this is how the tray looks, okay? Now, this is the main body of the steamer. It also is a egg piercer, a egg cooker, egg poaching. It cooks rice. It has a delay start function. It has the start and cancel function. It is a food steamer, a slow cooker, and it keeps your food warm that you keep inside here. So I'm really enjoying playing around with this, and I know you guys will too. If you know me, my family knows that I am a gadget person. I put this on wrong. Now, I really am enjoying playing around with this. And if you know me, my family knows that this woman here is a gadget person, and I love gadgets. And this really excites me to play with this and use all the function because I am into steaming my vegetables. And with my family, we like to cook gumbo when it gets cool, and we need a big rice cooker, and this is ideal for that. So, if you're interested in this steamer, then the information will be down below with a discount code, and tell them that Stephanie sent you. And I am really honored that they selected me to share with you their food steamer. Now, on into the video. Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. And I'm Stephanie, and I'm glad you're here. Have you ever felt like your home should be beautifully decorated and actually work for the life you're living now? Then if that's you, then you're in the right place. Now, in today's episode, I'm sharing with you kind of a mishmash haul. Now, I picked up a few items for spring, and I was going to wait till I did the actual presentation or whichever area I was decorating to share with you those items. Then I thought I might as well share them with you now. So I'm going to share with you from Amazon, from Aldi's, and from Pop Shelf. And also, a big thing just came in from Walmart. So we're going to start off with um, Amazon. Now, with Amazon, I have been looking for some coasters, not coasters, but canisters for spring. And I came across these. Now, this is the medium sized one. They have a large, a medium, and a small. Now, I purchased these from Amazon. These rabbit ears, they did have them in white, but when I got ready to order them, they were out of white. So I went ahead and got the pink. You know us, we could paint this, but I like the pink for this year. And then the other thing I ordered, it came a set of 30, and they were these beautiful tulips and the soft colors. Now it's like they have the ombre effect. I bought 3 boxes of these. So they're going to be all over. of the house. But I do love the colors, the array of colors that it comes in. And I think they came out really pretty. And they have that soft touch where they kind of feel like they're the actual flowers. They're really very nice. I like the leaves on them. The leaves are soft. And I think it's going to go with everything that I have planned for this spring. Now, the next item comes from Pop Shelf. Now, I know everybody was looking at those pink, I want to say the pink wavy pattern plates that were at the Dollar Tree. But I didn't want to use those, and plus the Dollar Trees by me don't have them. And when I went on their online to their websites, they're not here. So I went to Pop Shelf and I saw these plates, and I thought they would be gorgeous. Now I picked up these salad plates. That's all I buy now. Is I buy salad plates because I have every color in the plate, solid colors, so I only get dessert plates. But these colors are so pretty, and I thought these plates were gorgeous. Now, these plates were $4 at Pop Shelf. So I did pick up 6 of these. Okay, the next place we're going to go to is Aldi's. Now, you know, Aldi's always has something pretty when it comes to the holiday season. Now, I got this cup tiles. I like the rabbit on the front. I thought it was cute with the pretty green and with the pattern on it. But look at this, guys. Okay, that was eerie. They are so close in color and the pattern. I thought that this was just flow through from my formal dining room on into the kitchen. Sorry. So I thought this color was very pretty, and I'm going to use this in the kitchen because of the rabbit, you know, for fall, for spring, and the colors are so pretty. The next thing I got from Aldi was this. Now, this rabbit, I purchased 2 of these, and I cannot remember what the price was. I think they were like $7, I think. I cannot remember, guys, and it's not on here. But I picked these up from Aldi. I got 2 of them to use this year, but I was looking for the big one that Travinia on Royalty Designs. She had a large one, and I wanted to get that to put on my fireplace, but my Dollar Tree didn't have it, and I didn't see anyone bigger than that at Aldi's. But Aldi's did have one that was made out of what is it? Boxwood. And I thought that was really pretty. It was $20, and I'm going back and forth with myself about it. I might still go back and get it. Not sure, but that's something I was looking into. Now, for what I got at Walmart. This box is huge, guys. So I'm going to cut it open and let you see this huge box. I have a lot of storage boxes or bins in the garage, and I was trying to find a way to condense some of those boxes because I need to go through some of these things and get them down. Well, I ran across this bin. There are 2 in the box, and they're huge. They're 160 quart, and they have wheels on them. And that's one thing I liked about them. Now, they had ones with a green color top. They had a blue color, and then they had black. So now I already have 2 green ones, and they're out in the garage, and they're full of Christmas ornaments and other things for Christmas. But I wanted to condense my fall. Now here's a shade of blue that they have. Okay. Now I wanted to condense my fall bins. Now I have a lot. I think I have maybe 6 fall bins. Look how big this is. It has a handle on the side here for you to catch the pulley. It has wheels on the back. So when you get it and you bring it in, it's not that hard for me to carry in. Like I said, there's 2 of them in here. Now, if you're interested in these bins, I will leave the information for the bins and the items I purchased. They'll be on the screen or down below. So let me know what you think of my haul, my little small haul I did for spring. Now, thank you for spending so much time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfect for you without breaking the bank. Now, don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.